Welcome kids, YuviSharma channel. Hi kids. Today, we will learn animal names from A to Z. Let's start. A is for alligator. Alligator is a big wild animal. B is for bear. Bear loves honey. C is for cat. Cat says meow meow. D is for dog. Dog is our best friend. E is for elephant. Elephant has a long trunk. F is for fox. Fox is clever and smart. G is for giraffe. Giraffe has a very long neck. H is for horse. Horse runs very fast. I is for iguana. Iguana is a type of lizard. J is for jaguar. Jaguar is strong and fast. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo carries baby in a pouch. L is for lion. Lion is the king of the jungle. M is for monkey. Monkey loves bananas. N is for nightingale. Nightingale sings sweet songs. O is for owl. Owl can see in the dark. P is for penguin. Penguin loves the snow. Q is for quail. Quail is a small bird. R is for rabbit. Rabbit has long ears. S is for snake. Snake slithers on the ground. T is for tiger. Tiger has stripes on its body. U is for unicorn. Unicorn is a magical animal. V is for vulture. Vulture flies very high. W is for whale. Whale is the biggest animal in the ocean. X is for X-ray fish. X-ray fish has a see-through body. Y is for yak. Yak lives in cold mountains. Z is for zebra. Zebra has black and white stripes. Yay! We learned animals from A to Z. Great job, kids. Thank you, kids. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more learning videos.
Goodbye.